Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just going to do a plan with me for the week of the 9th of April to the 15th of April. Oh yeah, I hope you like my nails. I just got my nails done in a nice pink ombre look. Can't really tell from here. But yeah, today I was kind of trying to figure out what to do for this week, and I've decided to use the Erin Condren stickers that came with this planner. So when I got the planner, this was a freebie, this sheet. So it's got the, I think it's a rose gold foil. So that's really pretty. And then also in this planner, you got these sheets, like kind of icons on this one, and headers, and some checklists and stuff, like little boxes and flags and stuff. All with different types of foil. I don't mind mixing my foils, not that I use foils that often, but I don't mind mixing. Also in the planners you get these kind of general labels. So some of these are from last year and some are from this year that I've just ripped out of the books and just kind of cut them down a little bit. But yeah, so that's what I thought I'd do this week, is just trying to use less of a kit and use just some stickers, and it's going to be very white space. I'm actually going away for training in Cairns, for those of you who know where Cairns is in North Queensland. So yeah, I'm going away for Cairns, so I'm not even sure how full or what I'm even going to be putting in here, because like generally Monday to Friday I'm going to be at work doing work training things. So let's just put down, I'll just start putting down. I do have the husband, it is Sunday morning, the husband's outside, I don't know what he's going to be doing, probably making a lot of noise. I've got the boys inside, so I'm just going to do music over this, just because there's going to be a lot of noise. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get into the plans. guys, so here is my spread so far. So as you can see, it's very white space. I actually only used these 3 sheets and like the kind of icon stickers from some other places, but yeah, I totally forgot about these other sheets, which would have been good if I had a mani-pedi or party or concert or anything like that. Oh, there's game stickers on here. I didn't think of that. Okay, I'll have to remember next time. But yeah, so this is what I got left of my sheets. The stickers, I don't know, I feel like they're peeling up just slightly. We'll see how they go for the rest of the week. Just those long ones. Everything else seems to be fine. But yeah, so that was the freebie sheet that we got with this planner. And so these are some of the other ones. There's heaps left, lots of icons. Didn't use too much from here. I didn't put too much to do in the actual week because I am going to be away, so there's not much point of me putting in to-dos. Oh, I forgot this one. So I've got these dots here because I just wanted to track where I have dinner in Cairns, because I do have to keep my receipts and get reimbursed and stuff. Well, for breakfast, lunch and dinner, but I thought I'd just at least do dinner. I might try and put my breakfast in here as well, just to try and keep track of it in case, I don't know, for some reason I need to find out where I ate. But yeah, that's what I've done so far. It isn't very full at all, especially on the weekends. Like, I don't know what we'll be doing on the main part of the weekend, but that's how it looks. I'm not sure if I like it. I think I would have preferred if I tried to be a bit more color blocking. Maybe I'll try that next week if I can. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. That's using like a non-kit, like just some random, like I say random, they're stickers and they coordinate. But yeah, so that is my plans. My sidebar, there's not much to it because I didn't think I was going to track any habits. Like usually I track reading with my boys, which I'm not going to be here to do, and exercise, which I'm not going to have much time to do. So I thought I'd just do the daily steps. And yeah, I've just kind of filled it up with some of the other stickers. But yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, then please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.